So I've been here for 2.5 years, but the programme was here when I arrived, and actually it was one of the first things that I kind of saw in my new role. So 3 weeks in, in your new role and you're thinking, is this for me? And I saw students stand up at the end of their 3-day Sparks at a celebration event and kind of do their stand, and I just thought, wow, this is really powerful, this is great stuff, I'm in the right place. The programme had been here for about 5 years, but since I've been here we've been thinking really critically about how can we make sure as many students as possible get to experience this programme, and thinking about doing it in different ways to reach those students and kind of meet the challenges of the sector as well. So one of the things that we've been able to do is look at students who've been on the programme and students who haven't, and kind of do some statistical analysis that, to be honest, I don't quite understand. But it shows that basically having been on this programme has a real significant positive impact on students' ability to continue. So that means progress, so pass their exams and move to their next year, to stay here at Kingston and to kind of really do well and get a good degree, which is a 2-1 or above. So we've got some really hard data to also back up the really nice anecdotal stuff that you see. And that's made a really good business case in what is a more financially challenging environment overall for the sector, that we can continue working with grit and being innovative and kind of driving things forward.